Okay, so this is how you start designing your Weebly page. Okay, so you can choose a theme, and as it says here, you can change it later. So let's just choose a simple theme. Okay, let's choose this one. Okay, choose it. Okay, and then it will ask you to choose your website domain. Don't use this, don't use this. Use this one, subdomain of Weebly, because it's free. Okay, now since you're year 7, you're instructed to put a 2020 there, because that means that you will be graduating in the year 2020, and write your full name. Use your Chinese name if you want to, or use your English name if you want to, as long as you have a 2020 before that. Okay, so let me just write my name. Okay, so as you can see, it's available, and click on continue. Okay, now you can change this. Just click and drag, and let's say you know you can say my science site. Okay, and if you want later, you can edit the image. Okay, you can edit the image, but do that later. Play with it. All you need to do is to click, and you can add an image, or you can use the original image. Okay, if I want to use the original image, I can do that. If I want to add a text, okay, the text will come out there, and you can say my science, or let's put something nicer, science is awesome. Okay, and you can change the font. Let's say let's use something sciencey. Okay, how about this one, distant galaxy. Okay, and I can change the color. Say I want it to be pink. Okay, I can put a glow. Let's say I want to put a yellow glow so that it's outlined. And let's say I want it bigger, because I want everybody to know that science is truly awesome. Okay, and there it is. You can change that later. Now, when you save, okay, you have many choices. But for now, click to save, just save general, because you only have one page. Okay, okay, so it's saving. Now, you need to make 3 pages. Okay, aside from the home page, you need to design or to add 3 more pages. So click on the pages tab and add page. Now, do not use a standard page. We want to add a blog page. Okay, the reason being, if you do use a standard page, then your teacher cannot comment on your work. That's why you want a blog page, because with a blog page, the teacher can comment on your work. Okay, so the first page that you will make, give it the name assignments. Okay, assignments. Okay, and just click on enter, and you will see over here that it's saved assignments. Okay, add another blog page, and this one will be lab reports. Okay, click on enter, and you see lab reports is over there. And add another blog page, and this should be topics. Okay, click on enter, and you have topics. Let's say you made a mistake and you put topics first before lab reports. All you need to do is to click and drag it to where you want it to be. Okay, so now that you're done with that, go back to build, and you will see that you have your different tabs. Okay, so what are you going to do with the home tab? Okay, so with the home tab, I want you to write a little bit about yourself, what you think of science and what you want to learn about science and what your expectations are for the year. So let's start by this. By the way, is your toolbox. You have all the elements here. These are all the things that you can put in your website. Okay, this is the one that you will use most of the time. Okay, let's say title. Okay, just click and drag it and edit. Okay, so you can say I am Cecile. Okay, and then you want to type in text, so type. Okay, write a little bit about yourself, okay? And I want you to write about what you feel regarding science, okay? What you want to learn about science, and what your expectations are, okay? So write that over here. Let's say you want to put a picture, okay? So all you need to do is to go and click on image and drag it over here, okay? So there are two ways of uploading an image. You can upload from your computer, or you can search. Let's say, let's type in science. What can we find for science? Okay, there are professional photos here, okay? So maybe I want, oops, they're charging you for that one. So let's go to free. Okay, so let's just choose this one. Select. Okay, and the image is there, okay? You can put any image that you want. For example, if I want to put some other image, okay, I need to drag another one and click on it, and it says drag photo or upload. So let's say I want to put this chemical bottle, okay? I just dragged it in, and the bottle is there, so I can make it bigger or smaller, okay? So that's how you can fix this one, okay? So let's say you want to edit an image, you can do the same thing, okay? So you say add image. Let's say I want the same image over here, so I just drag it, okay? Let's do it again. Okay, so there it is. Okay, so it's up to you. You are only limited by your creativity. Okay, so let's save it. Save to this page only. Okay, it's there. And okay, be creative. Make your nice homepage about science. When you're done, this is a very important button. You need to click on publish, or else no one will see your site. So I'm going to click on publish, and as you can see, it will show this page again, okay? Don't change the name. Always use this, because as your teachers will go and put in this web address. If you change it, then we won't see your homework, okay? And click continue. Okay, so you can just say your website is education and your category is class project. Continue. Okay, so it's there. And then if you want to see what your web page looks like, click on this one and it will go to your website. See, so you have science is awesome, then you have your pictures there. Easy. Okay, so go practice, design your homepage. Make it nice. Remember, your work is a reflection of who you are. So always put your best work forward. Okay? Bye-bye.